What are the SAP SD submodules? The SAP Sales and Distribution module has the following submodules: MD Master Data, VF Basic Functions, Billing, FTT Foreign Trade, SLS Sales, SHP Shipping, Transportation, CAS Sales Support. Can you explain SAP Enterprise Structure? SAP Enterprise Structure is organizational structure that represents entire business structure in SAP R3 system. It consists of some organizational units are mapped to business structure based on some business requirements such as company code, plants, storage location, sales organizations, sales offices, sales groups, salespersons, distribution channels, divisions, loading points, shipping points. Various SAP organizational units include legal company entities, sales offices, profit centers, etc. What are the standard sales order document types? Standard sales order document types include pre-sales, for inquiry, quotation, and free of charge delivery. Orders, for sales order, rush order, cash sales. Contracts, for quantity contract, value contract, and service contract. Agreements, for scheduling agreement. Complaints, for credit, debit memo request, subsequent delivery, free of charge and return. What is SPRO? SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. SPRO is a transaction code used to configure and implement SAP system as per requirements of an organization. Transaction code, SPRO. Menu path, SAP menu, greater than tools, greater than customizing, greater than IMG, greater than SPRO, execute project. Which path is used to new company by copying existing company code? The following navigation method is used. Transaction code, X01, SAP IMG path, SPRO greater than IMG greater than definition greater than financial accounting greater than edit, copy or delete, check company code greater than copy delete, check company code. How to assign condition type to procedure in SAP SD? Step 1. Click on Define Procedures and in next screen select Tax Procedure and double-click on Control. Step 2. Choose New Entries and update the following fields. Enter step number. Enter condition type key. Enter the from number. Select account key. Tax Procedures Assignments. Step 3. Choose Save icon to save the configured data. How to stop key? By using transaction code, V109. Which T-code is used to creating a partner function? Using T-code, VOPN. What are the different types of partner functions in SAP SD? Partner type customer, sold to party, ship to party, billed to party, payer, partner type contact person, partner type vendor, forwarding agent, partner type personnel, employee responsible, sales personnel. Can you explain contract in SAP SD? A contract is an outline agreement between you and your customer that is valid for a certain time period. The contract does not contain any schedule lines, delivery quantities, or delivery dates. The same functions are available in contracts as in orders. You can also agree on special price agreements. The customer fulfills the contract with individual releases. Schedule lines are created in the release order when it is placed. The release order is then processed like any standard order. Any special agreements regarding prices are copied from the contract. What is use of dynamic credit limit determination? It is used to determine the credit limit of their customer by considering a horizon period. Open document, open deliveries, open billings, open items, horizon period. What are different types of billing methods? Individual billing per sales document. Collective billing method for multiple sales documents. Invoice split for several billing documents for one or more sales document. What are the types of standard delivery documents? Standard delivery document types include delivery with reference to sales order, delivery without any reference, return delivery, replenishment delivery. Which T-code is used to start inquiry? T-code, VA11. How to create sales document? To define the sale document, the following are the steps. Using T-code, The Faders Pro AMG Sales and Distribution Sales document header define sales document type. Can you define quota arrangement? A quota arrangement is where quota is assigned to each supply source. Usually, the one who drops the lowest quota rating will represent the product production. What is condition supplement? When a company wants to offer a discount regardless of combination up till a certain period, this is known as condition supplement. The system, by default, provides discounts together with a base price. What is variant in reporting? Variant is a variation of report which delivered either R3 system or Save It. Each variant contains different fields that are populated when you call up the report. What are the types of standard invoice documents? Standard invoice document types include order-related invoice, delivery-related invoice, credit memo, debit memo. What are predefined condition types in a standard system? PR00 price, K004 material discount, K005 customer-specific material discount, K007 customer discount, K020 price group discount, KF00 freight surcharge, UTX1 state tax, UTX2 country tax, UTX3 city tax. What are the production strategies? Make to stock. The product is mass-produced and fast-moving in nature, such as consumer products, pharmaceuticals, household items, etc. Make to order. The product is not manufactured in advance, but produced once the customer order is received, as with high-end cars, motorcycles, textile products, etc. What is pricing procedure? Pricing procedure will determine how pricing takes place in sales order and billing. In pricing procedure there are condition types, and there are 16 columns which control the condition types to determine how the condition type will behave in a pricing procedure. What are the types of free goods? Inclusive free goods, the customer pays only for a part of the goods required. The rest of the goods are for free. This is called inclusive free goods, which mean that part of the purchased quantity is designated as free and not billed. The unit of measure for the inclusive free goods is same as the purchased quantity. Exclusive free goods, the customer pays for the goods ordered and receives some additional goods. This is known as exclusive free goods and means that free goods are granted for an additional quantity to that in the purchase order. More is delivered than was ordered and the additional quantity is not billed. The goods delivered as free do not have to be the same as the material ordered. How did copy controls work in the SAP system? At 3 different levels, you can set up copy controls in the SAP system. Header level, item level, schedule line level. What are the important SAP SD Material Master transactions codes? TMM01 for Create Material Master, TMM02 for Change Material Master, TMM03 for Display Material Master, TMM06 for Flag for Deletion, TMM60 for Material Master List. How many plants are assigned in a company code? 1 or more plants are assigned in a company code. Can you explain invoice correction? Invoice correction is a kind of sales document. It is a documented process showing a new method of processing complaints and issuing both debit and credit memos. It also allows the users to correct the price and quantity for more than one faulty item present on an invoice. Can you explain why are we creating Z reports? SAP have provided a lot of reports in each module. However, if the standard reports do not meet the business requirement, we can develop our own reports. Custom reports are called Z reports because any program developed have to start with Z. What is use of customer account group? Customer account group control the master data of customer. It helps to determine customer number assignment. It helps to determine which field should be optional and which field should be mandatory and hide. It controls transaction of a customer master. What is T-code for listing the block documents? T-code of listing block VKM1. What is batch split? When products are coming from different batch and its batch number are different, batch splitter happened. What is proforma invoice and what are the types of it? Proforma invoice is a reference doc for import and export negotiations. The standard proforma invoice doc types are with reference to order, F5. With reference to delivery, F8. Can you explain sales order processing? Sales order processing describes a function related to wholesale part of an organizational business. Common functions under sales order processing. Availability of the articles purchased. Checking for incomplete data. Checking the status of the sales transaction. Calculation of pricing and taxes. Schedule the deliveries of goods. Printing of documents or e-transfer of documents. What is difference between SD account key and fee account key? As far as account key concerned, both are the same. To find the right GL account through condition technique. SD account key will be from pricing procedure. On the other hand, fee account key will be from tax procedure. How is credit control determined? Credit control area determined by credit control area plus credit risk category plus credit group. What is the difference between routine and requirements? Routines define which field should copy from reference document to target document. Requirement should meet when is being copied from source document to target document. If requirement is not met, a warning message is displayed or process may be terminated. What is the difference between milestone and periodic billing? Milestone billing is used in plant engineering and construction. Full amount of money is spreading over several dates within billing plan. Periodic billing is used in rental contract. Full amount of money is billed over certain period of time. What is difference between the item proposal and dynamic proposal? In item proposal, when you enter details in sales document and click the propose items to get item list of the customer regularly purchases. On the other hand, once you specify the sold to party and press enter, system automatically gives the list of materials for the customer regularly in a faster way than item proposal. What is a field catalog? A field catalog is a list of newly added field. If you want to create table, you have to create field that is added to field catalog. After that you can create table. What is the difference between condition type EK01 and EK02? EK01 is used as actual cost and EK02 is used as calculated cost. Both are used in make-to-order production. In the case of EK01, unit cost is issued first position on the conditions screen for the items. The value can be used for the basis of price determination. On the other hand, in the case of EK02, the result of unit costing is simply a statistical value which is compared with price. Who defines the account groups? Normally account groups are defined by the finance team, and some of the tables in SAP SD for customer master are KNVV, RF02, NA1 etc. List the SAP SD important tables. Here, some important and standard tables are used in SAP SD. Table NA1 General Data. KNB1 Customer Master, Company Code Data. KNB4 Customer Payment History. KNB5 Customer Master, Dunning Info. KNBK Customer Master Bank Data. NK Customer Master Credit MGMT. KNKK Customer Master Credit Control Area Data. NV Customer Master Tax Indicator. KNVV Sales Area Data. KNVP Partner Function Key. KNVT Output Type. KNVS Customer Master Ship Data. KPA Customer Vendor Link. VBOK Header Status and Administrative Data. VBOK Sales Document, Header Data. VBKD Sales Document, Business Data. VBAP Sales Document, Item Data. VBAP Item Status. VBAP Partners. VBAP Document Flow. VBAP Sales Document Schedule Line. VBB Sales Requirements, Individual Records. LIPS Delivery Document Item Data, includes referencing PO. LEAP Delivery Document Header Data. VPRK Billing Document Header. VPRP Billing Document Item. VIC Shipping Unit Item. VPO Shipping Unit Header.
Like, share and comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the bell button for latest updates.